der Müll.
Minister, irrigation minister. Right, right. Sit. Thank you. My number one commitment is to try to contribution as much as I can in humanity, 7 million people, to say eventually more compassionate human society. That's my number one commitment. Number two commitment, religious harmony. I was to be, after seeing India over 2,000 years, religious harmony, yeah, we should respect. And sometimes we should learn it. At the intellectual level, some argument. But basically, I think very good for harmony in this country. So India is second nation population-wise. China first, India second. So this huge country, in any way, most populated democratic country, very stable. And the politicians during election, this is saying something, but actually everything went smooth. Very good. This is regarding Tibet. My third commitment is about Tibet. And Tibet, political matter, as I mentioned earlier, I totally retired. Then, regarding Tibet, my sort of commitment is preservation of Tibetan ancient tradition which come from India. I think a few centuries, Nalanda institution become, I think, top learning center. So I think we can prove that the many masters, scholars come from Nalanda. The knowledge which come from Nalanda and 1,000 years which we kept is something very relevant to today's world. So now it is moral responsibility of reliable China to preserve that. And that's my true commitment. And then now, since I retired political matter, so I very much concern or express Tibetan environment, high altitude, dry climate, so it's quite delicate. So we should pay special attention on the environment. Thank you. See you again. Then we can more detailed discussions.
बहुत खुश हुआ।